Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make pineapple juice without a juicer or a blender. It is actually very easy for you to be able to make your pineapple juice at home. To make the pineapple juice, you need pineapple. I'm using frozen pineapple. You could use fresh pineapple. I have a lot of juice from this pineapple already because it has defrosted, so it's gonna help to produce more juice. So I'm using this potato masher to mash it. I'm gonna mash it until I'm able to extract enough juice from it. So if this is your first time on my channel, or you have been watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, like the video if you enjoyed it, and please share it with your friends. Thank you so much and God bless you. And special shout out to all those that have subscribed. Thank you so much. God bless you. You guys are amazing. I love you. Thank you. As you can see, the more you mash it, the more juice is being produced. I will continue to mash it until it has produced enough juice for me. So when I'm done, I'm going to pass it through a very fine sieve. As you can see, the sieve is very fine. So I'm going to pass it through. You could use a chiffon cloth to do it, as long as the pineapple pulp is not passing through. The pulp is also healthy. You don't have to throw it away. You can add it to your smoothie or just snack on it. It is still very sweet and still has all the nutrients. As you can see, it is really the juice that is passing through. With a spatula, I'm gonna compress it. Try to squeeze as much juice as possible from the pulp. One advantage of making your own pineapple juice, you know what is in it. You don't have to worry about any preservative. It's just natural from your kitchen. So now that we can make our pineapple juice from our kitchen without a blender or a juicer, we do not have any excuse to say, oh, I would have loved to make it, but I do not have all these gadgets. Just a quick reminder, please, if you are still watching the video up to this point, please click the subscribe button if you have not, and please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I appreciate it and God bless you. Like I told you guys earlier, I'm going to save the pulp of the pineapple. It is still sweet. I'm going to save it to make smoothie. So, see? I squeezed enough. So this is your pineapple juice, fresh from my kitchen. Don't let that foamy substance bother you. If you don't like it, you can scoop it out. So if you enjoyed watching the video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Your juice is ready. You can share with your friends, your family member, your lover, or you can just drink it up yourself. Either way, it is very refreshing. So the next time you make your delicious, refreshing pineapple juice, give this method a try. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Till I see you next time. I love you. Bye.